Welcome to CNG News. My name is Francis Smith. I am with the CNG News team. Today we are investigating the Gulf oil spill. This is for the people in Louisiana and the United States. Our news team is made up by kids in the program known as Purity Days. We cover subjects such as HIV, AIDS, and STDs. We learn about character and being good people. We've had some 25 kids involved in this program. We hope you learn something from our news. Now we're going to team on vacation in the wetlands on their way to Grand Isle.
Yeah, my name is Jalen Bell. We have stopped to Donaldsonville to talk about what we're going to do in Grand Isle. Yes, in Grand Isle, we will be looking at the oil spill, talking about the oil spill. We'll have a Okay, my name is Jalen Bell. We have come to Bayou Lafourche. We came all the way from Donaldsonville, Louisiana to track Bayou Lafourche, and now we are on our way to Grand Isle to see the end of Bayou Lafourche. And these are some of the fishermen boats that will be affected by the oil spill, and we're going to get more details when we get to Grand Isle.
This is a baby crab that just came out of the water. I don't know if he was caught or what. But this is a good example of what's being destroyed, economic peril they find themselves in. Okay, thank you. Where and we're in the town of Golden Meadows, a place I'll never forget because I got a ticket going fishing one time.
Birds, pelicans, fish, crabs, shrimp, all been destroyed. And people like seafood. I know I do. So what about you? Stand up and don't let BP take over this oil spill.
This is an oyster shell. If the oil spill is not cleaned up, many of our oysters will not be able to be eaten because of the oil spill. If many people eat the oysters from the oil spill, many people will be sick and some may die.
The oil spill is also hurting people's economy and employment. It is hurting people it is hurting the fishermen in Grand Isle and across the South Coast because they cannot make a living to provide for their families.
Fishermen myself, I had a lot of friends on and it totally affected their livelihood, you know. They're working out there trying to clean this mess up, and this disbursement stuff they're using, nobody knows what it is except it's highly cancerous and full of chemicals that no one knows what they are, you know. It's bad, and nobody seems to be doing it. They're trying, but they can't come up with a conclusion, you know, to cap this well, and that's just, I don't know.
Since we've been riding down here, we've only seen one fishing boat. So, like, how have the fisheries been around here?
Closed down. They closed up all the fisheries, all the shrimp sheds, oyster houses, everything's been on lockdown. No fishing. Yeah.
Thank you, Jason.
You're very welcome, Jim.
Thank you. Jalen Bell signing off. About with the Synergy News team. The shrimp boat came from the Gulf to Bayou Lafourche. As you see, The birds are following it for straps. As you see, the water is clear over here. And if it wasn't clear, you'd have a sheen on it. But we're going to still have to analyze later on.
My name is Matthew Bell, and I'm with the Synergy News team. And here you see we had a fishing packing plant. They have lots of fish, but the oil comes here, we won't have no fish to eat. And people will put out their business, and they won't have no business at all. We'll be making their money and have money.
Now we'll have a commentary by one of our reporters.
Hi, my name is Angela Million, and I'm from the Synergy News team. And I'm here today to let you know how the oil spill is affecting my life. When the oil spill is affecting my life because it is destroying our wetlands. And without our wetlands, it will hurt and make more damage when hurricanes come. Hurricanes will hit the New Orleans coast and destroy things like Katrina. And everybody knows Katrina was a devastating and disaster. We would not like to repeat that, so let's get together and do our wetlands. Anyway, one, it is taking away and destroying our wetlands. Our wetlands are here to help us be protected during hurricane season. Without our wetlands, hurricanes can become very bad and dangerous, just like Katrina. And no one will want to go to a repeat of Katrina, because Katrina was very dangerous and devastating to all. Katrina hurt and killed a lot of people because of our wetlands, and our wetlands are just getting destroyed. The oil spill is also hurting people's economy and employment. It is hurting people it is hurting the fishermen in Grand Isle and across the South Coast because they cannot make a living to survive.
Yes, Jalen Bell is back. We're now in Golden Meadows. As you can see, the wetlands are behind me, and as we know now, we're losing wetlands. If the oil hit the wetlands, they'll be lost, and we need wetlands to keep from self-destruction and stuff like hurricanes and other different types of things. This is the new bridge over Highway 1. This is how you get to Grand Isle. And you can see all the wetlands. And as you can see, the skies are coming to a cloud. And we wonder if that has something to do with the oil spill. And we need to know more information. Look how vast they are. They are getting emptier and emptier every day. So we hope that helps. We hope no oil get in there. We need the wetlands to protect us from the hurricanes. This is an oil rig. We wonder would this help us out with the oil spill. Isn't it big? This is a small one. Now we are getting closer to the Gulf. You can see where the wetlands have ended in this area. As you can see, we're getting emptier and emptier as we pass by, which makes it more dangerous for hurricanes when we don't have wetlands. This is what we have to preserve at all costs. To your right, you can see Fort Fourchon. To your left, you can look out into the Gulf. Right now. Grand Isle is located at the bottom of Louisiana, right near the Gulf. If you look at the boot, at the toe of the boot is where we are, and if you look far ahead of us, you will see dark, dark, dark clouds in front of us. And we hope that the situation isn't this dark. And we can reclaim the wetlands and save our way of life. This is still Highway 1. Jalen Bell, out and over. due to inclement weather, we will have to discontinue our broadcast and have to get back with you later. This is Jalen Bell signing off with the Synergy News team. Jalen Bell, we're back with the Synergy News team. I'm having one of my technicians now getting a sample of water from the wetland.
This is some water that we're going to have analyzed later with our other team members.
Jalen Bell, I'm with the Synergy News team, and we are here.
I'm good there.
Okay, how has life been since the oil spill in this town?
It's been pretty bad. We can't fish anymore. All the beaches are closed. It's going to affect these people a lot. Because this is all they do. That's all they do for a living. And if they don't do something quick, all these guys will be out of work.
How have the factories been in this town?
It's been, well, drastic because you can tell it's not, you see all the boats, a few of them still tied up. Nobody's going out. And they just hanging around, just waiting to see what the people are going to do.
Well, we hope this town don't become a ghost town like any other town that has economic problems. Well, thank you, Jason. There must be a shortage of seafood in my dog.
We cannot wait around for VP, Governor Jindal, or President Obama to take action. We have to take action into our own hands because it seems like we cannot wait 3 years for VP to stop the oil leak. There are 50,000 gallons leaking into the oil leak a day.
Karen again, Clarence Smith with the Synergy News. We have tried to give you a bird's eye view of the problems caused by the oil spill. We are thankful for programs like this and hope this is only the beginning. We hope to bring you many more stories. This is Clarissa Smith signing off. Synergy News, news for everyone.